Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace air filter box assembly on Mazda CX-7. Let's say you're installing cold air intake or something like that, or you need to replace your air filter box. We'll show you how to do that now. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together and let's go ahead and start on it now. So we need to go ahead and remove those two bolts. Okay, with a 10mm socket. You can see we got those out of the way. And now what we will need to do, we'll need to push it up, actually towards the front. You pull it towards the front because there is a clip on the bottom. Okay, and it needs to come out of that seal right here. That's the clip we're talking about. Okay, facing this way. Let us show you. This is the clip right here. Okay, and this is where it goes in that rubber bushing right there. Next, you need to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Just push down on the wire and pull. Okay, we need to release that clip there that's holding the wire, and we need to go ahead and get the intake hose loose so we can pull it out of the air filter box. We have quite a few repairs, guys, because we'll be doing engine replacement on one of those, so make sure you subscribe. Okay, like that. Next, all we need to do, just grab the box and pull it out. There is a few rubber bushings that hold it down. Once we pull it out, we'll show you. I think there is 3 of them maybe. Yep, okay, that's where it goes. 1, 2, 3. And those are the rubber bushings right there that we have. We're going to install you can see a bag on the intake hose so we don't drop anything inside while we're working on it. But that's how you guys remove and if you need to replace the air filter box on Mazda CX-7. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.